Guys, welcome back to Royal Barber Patch. Guys, in this video you will find top 10 most sophisticated hairstyle ever. If you are looking for some business casual or most beautiful or most classic hairstyle, I think you are in the right place. In this video you will find top 10 most beautiful and sophisticated hairstyle for you. So don't skip this video, watch this video till end and hope you will get the right hairstyle idea for you. Wow, that was super clean, low tapper fade with classic waves. That was the most beautiful hairstyle ever. We are moving to number 2. If you want short hair, I think this haircut is the right idea for you. Oh my god, a skin fade with short mohawk. That was pretty awesome. A light tapper with medium layered hairstyle. Anyways, we are moving to another one. The low drop fade, also known as a modern undercut. We are moving the next one, and this haircut is also known as high and tight fade, and this haircut is usually famous in military, and this is also known as short buzz and modern buzz. Anyways, we are moving in another haircut transformation. Oh my god, that was super clean, most beautiful wavy hairstyle. The low mid fade and got some waves. Sleek back hairstyle with low fade, low mid fade. Super clean, low tapper fade that was. Oh my god, this is the most beautiful haircut idea for those who are looking for short hair. Skin fade with short mohawk. Wow. step by step tutorial of how to cut paper bait. That was the last haircut of the day, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, turn the post notification to get updated for every new upload.